What's up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in to Patrovich Entertainment Purposes Only. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. At the end of the day, I'm just a YouTube guy having fun making videos. Shibnobi. Why am I more bullish now than I was a couple weeks ago? I know. Is this guy, what the hell is this guy talking about? We kind of went down a lot in the last day and a half. Why is he more bullish now than he was before? Let me tell you, the way our CEO, Cliff, was so professional on how he handled this SataMask situation shows me he is a true businessman. He knows how to run a company. Immediately, they sent out a press release saying exactly what happened and not only what happened, but what they're going to do in the future. Okay, and I kind of back 100% his play there. He said, listen, we don't need SataMask. At the end of the day, he's not going to jeopardize his holders, his company, everything else just to get on a wallet. Now, is SataMask a big deal? I personally think it's a big deal. Is it a make or break for Shibnobi? Absolutely not. You throw a KuCoin, Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, you throw an exchange like that in there, done deal, it's over. But this is why this company, I think, is going so far. We have such a powerhouse dev team behind this project. And look at all these things that we're doing. We are literally doing a DojoSwap. So we're doing our own swap, our own wallet that's going to be it's going to have as much security on it as SataMask does. We're doing our own blockchain and our own Dojoverse. All of these projects right here are going to kill zeros on this current number. Now, don't know when it's going to happen. I'm not one to predict saying we're going to burn a zero tomorrow. That's not me. I'm going to come in here and say, when these projects start launching, people are going to invest. They're going to be in Dubai for the expo. There is a lot of money that is going to be at that expo. And you better believe partnerships will be made at that expo. That's just the reason to go there. You want to tell everyone about your project, show them what it does, and obviously you're there to build relationships and get partnerships. This project having so many things that haven't even come out yet. Nothing has come out yet. And we already saw big gains. Yes, we're down a little bit right now. That's fine. I'm in this for the long term. Plus, I'm getting at 3% reflections on my money. So until these things come out, Q1 for DojoSwap 2022. We're in mid-January already. March is right around the corner. In my personal opinion, I think they're going to have DojoSwap launched before the expo in Dubai. Now, how awesome would that be that they launch a project a week or so before the convention, the expo, whatever you want to call it, and then they can show that at the expo and say, this is our DojoSwap. Q2, the wallet, the Katana wallet, amazing. I don't know about you. I cannot stand the current wallets that are out there right now. So these mega companies are building their own programs, their own infrastructure, their own swaps, wallets, blockchains, doing any transaction on Ethereum when you literally have to wake up at like 4 o'clock in the morning to do a freaking transaction so you don't spend $300. My daughter is getting into NFTs right now, and she's trying to upload one of her NFTs that she wants to sell for like $500. MetaMask, it was a $350 fee yesterday for her to upload it and mint her NFT. I told her, I said, no. Wait until the morning or late at night. Wait until some of these fees go down. Trying to educate her on the process. But it's absolutely insane what's going on out there, which is why these companies feel the need to help us holders and help us out by having us keep our money instead of buying more Ethereum just to waste it in on gas. Does that make sense? So more bullish than ever on Shibnobi. I hold a big bag of it. I love it. I'm not selling it anytime soon. And why would you when you have all these products about to come out in 2022? Literally 3 of the 4 projects are coming out in 2022. And we haven't even gotten on any big exchanges yet. Wait until crypto.com comes coming. Binance. Those alone will make this thing skyrocket. You just have to be patient. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just what makes me go to bed at night knowing I have a lot coming, because I want to get into projects massive like these that are in such an early stage that they don't have any projects out yet. They're not on any big exchanges, because once that happens, it's way more expensive to buy coins. And are you going to get as much profit? Probably not. Not if you're one of the first ones in. And right now is the time for me to buy more of Shibnobi. Shibnobi for me is one of my top 3 favorite projects out there right now. So if you have a bag of Shibnobi, if you're thinking about it, drop a comment below, like and subscribe this video. If you hold Shibnobi and you're excited, share this video. Let's go. See you guys later.